welcome back to this channel. Once again, it's me, Binod Shrestha, and you are watching the Excellent Education channel. In this channel, you will be getting a lot of lectures related to the mathematics. And in today's lectures, I'll teach you the remaining portions of the exercise of geometric means. In my previous lectures, I've taught you how to find the formulae for the geometric means. And then after, I taught you the first exercise of the geometric means. There we have done some related questions, and the remaining portions, some questions were left to be done, and today we'll be discussing on it. Okay, students? So let's get started. Now here you see here, now in geometric means, now there are some formulae that times I haven't done. Now today we'll be discussing on it. Now here, look at here. The geometric mean between A and B. In geometric means there are one formula which is very important. It comes usually in the short question. Okay, now look at here. If there are three terms which are in GP, यदि त्यहाँ तीनवटा टर्म्सहरु चाहिँ GP मा छन् भने त्यसमा जियोमेट्रिक मिन हामी कसरी निकाल्छौं? यो मैले पहिला अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेसन पढाउँदाखेरि पनि डिस्कस गरेको थिएँ। जस्तै हेर्नुस् त यहाँ, here A and GM B are in GP. यहाँ तीनटा नम्बरहरु छ, एउटा A छ, एउटा GM छ, एउटा B छ. That means GM is the geometric mean between A and B. ठीक छ? यो छ भने यसमा हामीले एउटा फर्मुला के निकाल्न सक्छौं? जस्तै जियोमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेसन हुने बित्तिकै त्यसमा कमन रेशियो भनेको हाम्रो सेकेन्ड टर्म डिवाइडेड बाइ फर्स्ट टर्म हुन्छ अथवा थर्ड टर्म डिवाइडेड बाइ सेकेन्ड टर्म हुन्छ। यसबाट हेर्नुस् त, हामीले कमन रेशियो भनेको सेकेन्ड टर्म डिवाइडेड बाइ फर्स्ट टर्म GM by A equals to थर्ड टर्म डिवाइडेड बाइ सेकेन्ड टर्म B by GM. ठीक छ? अनि कमन रेशियो दे आर अलवेज इक्वल, सो दैट मीन्स GM by A equals to B by GM हुन्छ। सो यु क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि GM into GM is GM square equals to A into B is AB. So from here you can find GM equals to root A. ठीक छ? त्यही भएर हामीले ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेसनमा ज्योमेट्रिक मिनमा एउटा फर्मुला जहिले पनि याद गर्नुस्। यदि तीनवटा टर्म्सहरु हामीले दिएको छ भने we can directly write the middle term. This middle term GM equals to root under A. Okay students, हामी यसको न्यूमेरिकल प्रब्लम्स पनि गर्छौं, डोन्ट वरी। अनि नेक्स्ट भनेको हेर्नुस् त, यदि कुनै तीनवटा टर्म्सहरु ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेसनमा छन् भने त्यसलाई कसरी सपोज गर्ने? यो हामीले अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेसनमा पनि गरेको थियौं। यदि हामीलाई तीनवटा टर्म्सहरु दियो भने त्यसलाई कसरी सपोज गरेका थियौं हामीलाई याद छ? हामीले अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेसनमा हामीलाई थ्री टर्म्सहरु दियो भने A minus D, A plus D, यो सपोज गरेका थियौं। हेर्नुस् त, हामीले अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेसन गर्दाखेरि। अब ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेसनमा के हुन्छ त? A by R, यो A minus D को ठाउँमा A by R, अनि यो A को ठाउँमा A, अनि A plus D को ठाउँमा यहाँ के हुन्छ? A into R हुन्छ। यदि ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेसनमा तीनवटा टर्म्सहरु हामीलाई दियो भने you can easily suppose A by R in A. Okay students, now see, look at it. Let the three terms of GP be A by R, A, AR. त्यसै गरी हामीले अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेसनमा चारवटा टर्म्स गरी कसरी सपोज गर्ने? त्यसलाई यसो गराइदिनु, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. हामीले यसरी सपोज गरेका थियौं, हजुरलाई याद छ कि छैन? ओके स्टुडेन्ट्स, हेर्नुस् त, म अलिकति गाली गर्छु यसलाई। हामीले कसरी सपोज गरेका थियौं? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D हामीले यसरी सपोज गरेका थियौं। ठीक छ? अब यहाँ हामी कसरी सपोज गर्छौं भन्नुस् त, यो ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेसनमा A by R cube, A by R cube, यो माइनस D भएको कारणले A by R, यो भनेको AR, यो AR हेर्नुस् त, हामीले त्यहाँले अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेसनमा यो गरेका थियौं, ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेसनमा यो हुन्छ। त्यसैले अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेसन राम्रोसँग बुझ्नु भयो भने the geometric progression becomes very easy. Okay students, now say if the four terms of GP be A by R cube, A by R, AR, AR cube. त्यसै गरी हामी 5 वटा टर्म्सहरु लिन सक्छौं, A by R square, A by R, AR, AR square. हामीले यो AP मा कसरी गरेका थियौं? A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D यसरी गरेका थियौं। र त्यतिखेर मैले के भन्थे, जहाँबाट यो सुरु भयो त्यसमै गएर इन्ड हुनुपर्छ। जस्तै हेर्नुस्, 1 by R मा सुरु भयो, AR मा इन्ड भयो, 1 by R cube मा स्टार्ट भयो, AR cube मा इन्ड भयो, त्यस्तै 1 by R square मा सुरु भयो, AR square मा गएर इन्ड भयो। ओके स्टुडेन्ट्स, यो एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर्मुला थियो, हजुरले याद गर्नु होला। न्यूमेरिकल प्रब्लम्स गर्नको लागि एकदमै हामीलाई चाहिन्छ त्यतिखेर। ओके स्टुडेन्ट्स, नाउ लेट्स डु न्यूमेरिकल प्रब्लम्स। Okay, now let's do the question number 1. Now in this question list here, if x, x plus 3, x plus 9 are in ZP, then find the value of x. This question is very important. Repeatedly it was asked in your examinations. Okay, first 2 marks, this short question. अब यहाँ यस्तो यहाँनिर के भनेको छ हामीलाई here x, x plus 3, x plus 9 are in ZP. यो ZP मा दिएको हुनाले अहिले भर्खर हामीले के भन्यौ भने ZP मा दियो भने हाम्रो GM को फर्मुला हेर्नुस् त, यदि तीनटा टर्म्स ZP मा दियो भने GM को फर्मुला हामीले के लेख्थ्यौ GM √100 AB लेख्थ्यौ. ओके हैन. अब यहाँ पनि त्यस्तै हेर्नुस् त, मैले के सपोज गर्दै यो फर्स्ट टर्म भएको हुनाले मैले A x, यो 20 को टर्म भएको हुनाले मैले GM कति लेखे x plus 3 and here you are last term x plus 9 and we know that it's very easy. Now what is, we know that GM formula is what? GM equals to √100 AB. Okay, this formula we use जतिखेर तीनटा टर्म्स दिएको छ. Okay students, or हेर्नुस् न यहाँ अब GM को ठाउँमा हामीले कति छ x plus 3 छ equals to √100. हेर्नुस् त √100 हामीसँग a को ठाउँमा x छ and b को ठाउँमा x plus 9 छ. अब यहाँ हामीले squaring both sides गरौँ. Squaring both sides. Now say what would you get? This is x plus 3 whole square equals to, you can just remove the square root. Okay, this is square root and square is cancelled. Now let's open the bracket. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. I guess you understand this one. And this is x square plus 9x. X square can be cancelled. Now this 6x goes there. It is 9 equals to, can I write directly 3x students? This is 9x minus 6x gives you 9. This is 3x. Therefore x equals to 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore the required value of x is 3. Okay students. Now let's do question number 2. Okay students, now see question number 2, and this question is the another very important question for SE examination, and it carries 4 marks in your examinations. Okay students, now see, find the number of GMs. Look at here, number of GMs means number of means. Okay, that means n equals to what? Inserted between 2 and 128. Always remember students, it is, or if it says in between, it is the first term and it is the last term. Okay students, where the ratio of the first mean, now see this is first mean means what? M1, and the last mean means what? Mn. This gives you 1:60. Okay students, now before starting it, let me just recall you the formula that we have done in mean, geometric mean. See here students, now here we know in the geometric mean, the first mean is a into r, or ar power 1. The last mean mn, ar power n, and there we have derived the common ratio is what? b divided by a whole power 1 by n plus 1. This is the formula we derived in our previous lecture. So remember students, now we're going to use this formula in solving this problem. Okay, now look at here. अब यहाँ हेर्नुस् त, अब हामीलाई दिएकोमा a को भ्यालु 2 हामीलाई थाहा भएको, then after b को भ्यालु 128 पनि हामीलाई थाहा भएको. अब हेर्नुस् त, the ratio of first mean to the last mean. So the ratio of first mean to the last mean means what? m1 upon mn. This equals to 1/16, and we are asked to find number of means equals to n equals to what? Always remember one thing. Here you are asked find the number of GMs means n value is what? And sometimes they ask you find the number of terms. If they ask you find the number of terms, always remember this n means number of means, and if there is number of terms, you have to add plus 2 to get the number of terms. Okay students, now let's find it. Now here first you know this is ratio. Now see, ratio is b divided by a whole power 1 by n plus 1. So here first let's use this formula. We have r equals to b divided by a whole power 1 by n plus 1. Now see, this is b stands, this b is what? 128 divided by a means 2 whole power 1 by n plus 1. This n we need to calculate. So if you just divide it, it becomes 64 whole divided by n plus 1. Okay students, so here our value is this one. Now let's substitute this value in this equation. Now this equation can be reduced as here. Now you can write here. Now see, we have given is what? M1 by and n equals to 1 by 16. This is given to us. Now let's substitute the value of a, m1. Now see, m1 we know. m1 means a into r power 1. Now see students, this is m1 means ar divided by mn means what? Mn means ar power n. This equals to 1 by 16. Okay students, now this a is cancelled. Okay students, now let us substitute the value of r from here. Okay students, now I am going to now see, this is the first, just let me copy it. This is r power n equals to 1 by 16. Okay students, now see, first you can just reciprocal it. Yeah, reciprocal means this power. Now see, can you write like that? R power n by r equals to 16 by 1. Okay, this you can do. Okay, this is the mathematical rules. You can just invert them. Yeah, now see, denominator goes to numerator, numerator goes to denominator. 16 goes to numerator and this 1 goes to denominator. Just you are reciprocal it. Okay, now see, look at here. Let us use the indices rule. R power n, r power 1. It can be written as what? R power n minus 1 equals to 16. Okay students, now say, this r power n sir, r power 1, this 1 goes there, r power n minus 1. Okay, equals to 16. That is simple form. Okay students, now let us substitute the value of r. R value 64 power 1 by n plus 1 sir. Now I r को ठाउँमा हेर्नुस् है, यो r को ठाउँमा मैले सब्स्टिट्युट गर्छु. r को ठाउँमा मैले 64 को पावर 1 by n plus 1 हेर्नुस् है, मैले r को ठाउँमा मात्र राखिरहेको छु. मैले r को ठाउँमा यो भ्यालु राखेँ. ओके, हेर्नुस् त, सिर्फ यो r को भ्यालु मैले राखेँ. r भनेको 64 को पावर 1 by n plus 1. यहाँ हाम्रो r को भ्यालु दिएको छ. अब यहाँनिर के बाँकी रह्यो? n minus 1 त बाँकी रह्यो. यहाँ मैले इन्टु गरेर लेख्छु, यहाँ n minus 1 equals to 16. ओके स्टुडेन्ट्स, अब हेर्नुस् त, यो के आयो? अब मैले यहाँ के गर्छु? यो 64 यो 16 यो त इन्डेक्सिस को फर्ममा आइरहेछ, एक्सपोनेन्शियल इक्वेसन को फर्ममा. मैले के गर्छु? यो दुवैलाई एउटै पावर बनाइदिन्छु. 64 लाई मैले 4 क्यूब लेख्नु मिल्छ. यस, 64 भनेको 4 क्यूब. ओके, होल पावर यहाँ के हुन्छ त? यो n minus 1 by n plus 1 equals to 16 लाई के लेख्नु मिल्छ? 4 square. Okay students, now see, the base are same, so we can equate their power. So I am making by 3 into n minus 1 by n plus 1 equals to 2. Okay students, now see, this is power 4 power this one 4 power 2. So this power equals to 2. Now let us cross multiply. Now let us multiply it. This is 3n minus 3 equals to 2n plus 2. Okay students, now let's just simplify it to get the value of n. This is 3n, this 2n comes here, minus 2n equals to 2, this 3 goes there, plus 3. So 3n minus 2n is therefore n. n equals to 5. अब हामीले बुझ्नुपर्ने कुरा के छ भने यो n भनेको के हो? This is the number of means, because we are using this formula, number of means. र हामीलाई यदि एक्जाममा find the number of means सोध्यो भने this is your answer, therefore the number of means is 5. यदि क्वेशनमा हामीलाई find the number of terms सोध्यो भने is the number of terms 5? No, of course not. Number of terms is always 2 more than number of means. So यदि number of terms सोध्यो भने चाहिँ our answer is, therefore the number of terms is 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Okay students, यो एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन्स थियो. यो क्वेशन्स मैले सकाएँ. ठीक छ. This much for today. Hope you have understood this lecture. Now in my next lecture I will teach you how to find the formula for finding the sum of n geometric terms. है, एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट लेक्चर छ. त्यो लेक्चर्स नछुटाउनु होला. अनि त्यो लेक्चर सकिसकेपछि फेरि हामी त्यसको न्यूमेरिकल प्रब्लम्सहरु गर्छौं. मोस्टली स्टुडेन्ट्सलाई थाहा हुँदैन हाउ दिस formulas is being derived. The formula cannot derive भएको हुन्छ. So my next lecture is I will derive the formula for finding the sum of n geometric terms. Okay students, so don't miss to watch this lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.